Once you finish completely growing your phage, you'll want to aliquot your broth into marathon centrifuge tubes. We recommend using 24 milliliters per vial. Once you've aliquoted your solution, you will need to use the marathon centrifuge to get a bacterial pellet out of solution. Here I'm using a water balance. In the actual project, you will balance the tubes against each other, and you can use water to make sure they are within 0.05 grams of weight of each other. For the first centrifuge, you'll want to spin the tubes for 20 minutes at 10,000 RPMs and at 4 degrees Celsius. After the first round of centrifugation, you're left with a pellet that is comprised completely of bacteria. All the phage is left in solution, so you will need to decant the supernatant into another marathon tube. You can then discard the bacterial pellet. For the PEG precipitation procedure, all you need to do is add 1/5 the volume of PEG NaCl into your solution. So in this case, since we're using 24 milliliters of solution, we will add 4.8 milliliters of PEG into the vial. After you add the PEG, the solution will be noticeably more viscous, which is a good thing. The next step is to let your solution sit over ice for 1 hour. After about an hour, you take out your solution and it's time to centrifuge again. During this round of centrifugation, you'll want to centrifuge the tube for 20 minutes at 10,000 RPMs at 4 degrees Celsius. After the spin, the pellet you are left with is comprised of phage. You will need to decant the supernatant, and if the pellet is flaky, you can spin it again at the same settings except for 4 minutes. When you are left with just the pellet in each tube, add 2 milliliters per pellet of PBS tween.